No, this elevator serves basement, garage, first floor, second. Well, let's start
Wanna go
by
down?
going
Start
down
to-
first.
Yeah, okay. So we're going down first to basement 4. Okay?
Yes, and
And then we'll go up to 2.
this is the elevator at the 1900 Ocean Beach Club, downtown Long Beach, California. This is an OTIS hydraulic elevator. It's a glass elevator. I saw that. And ready? Here we go.
Here we go.
Let's go down to 4G.
Yeah, 4G. That's basement 4.
This is Otis logo, and here are the fixtures. Here's the indicator. And here's the window. And here's the certificate. And here we are at 4G now.
See? From here you can access the beach. This is the gym.
Yeah, here's.
And if you go out, you've got the beach.
Yes, and now here's the beach. And
Come back to 2. We'll go to 2.
yeah. And let's go up to level 2. Let's look out the window. Here we go. It's a glass elevator. And this is, I know the brand, I know the kind of the fixtures there are there. Matte fixtures, MAD fixtures. I know the kind of this elevator buttons. And here's the indicator. Here we are up at 2. And
Press 1 and come.
what'd you say?
You press 1 and come out of it.
And let's go back down to 1. Let's look out the window. Here's the window. Here are the fixtures. And here's the certificate. And here's the indicator. Here we are back at 1. Let's watch it close. Ready? Here you go. That's it.